Hey guys, all right, we're gonna give it a try, another pour. The video before this one, I put the layers and talked you through it all. So if you wanna know how I layered my cup, that's exactly how I layered it. The only change I made was the violet I made a little bit darker by adding a little bit of Prussian blue in addition to what was already in there. So check out the video before for the layers, the layered cup in order. I'm just trying to cut back a little bit on time on the video and just pour for you. So that is what we're gonna do. So here is my cup, and you can see the violet is now almost like a brick color. So here we go. I have a very curious cat watching me. So if she walks by the camera, that is Mimi. All right. I got a drip in the middle. Well, we're just gonna leave it there. Nothing we can do about that. All right, so we're gonna torch. There's lots of air bubbles. I just mixed up my paints. It is good to always, mix your paints and then let them sit if you'd like, but so you don't get the air bubbles. All right. So Okay, so that's where I'm probably going to leave it a little bit. I'm going to bring it on back. I'm actually going to just leave this here. And help it over the edge. So, all right, we're gonna give it another torch because we've let it sit for a minute. I'm really liking what's developing. And now I'm gonna move it around. So a little more. We'll go this way. No, no, I don't even know which way to go. All right, we'll start over here. We're just gonna let it kiss the edge, and obviously I'm going to have to let some go over. I'm just gonna bring it totally over on that side. This one is so awesome. So awesome. This one is so, I love this one. Little different colors going on, which is nice. Let me see here. I'm gonna turn this for you guys. There we go. I'm gonna bring that right down over to there. I don't think I'm going to do anything more. I'm afraid that if I stretch it out more, it will start getting jagged. So I'm gonna leave it because I really love this dark blue in here, and I love the dimension that it's created in here and over in here. Trying to fix the sides and not botch it up any. I really, if I were to do things over again, there'd be some things I would do and what I wouldn't do. And I did not recenter my pour like I normally do. And I think that's why it started stretching too much. But I love this one. This one is so cool. So I'm going to bring you guys in just a second. Come over there. I think you're gonna love this one when we bring you in. So hold on. All right. Let me bring you guys in. This is really cool. Okay, one more quick torch. Oops, sorry. All right. This one is so cool. What do you think, guys? Look at this one. It's totally outer space. Like, this is just crazy. I'm absolutely loving these pours, and I want to just keep doing them all the time because they're never the same. Something always changes in them. This is just incredible. In this area, oh, I love it. I love it. I wish you can see the turquoise like I do. I mean, it's a little bit lighter than what is showing here, the teal or the turquoise or whatnot. But that's just incredible. Crazy. Okay, guys. So I have so many in the other room. So I'm going to show you what I have drying. 3 of these videos have not been put up yet. One I accidentally erased, and then another one I'm downloading it from the cloud to be able to upload it soon. It's a 20 by 24. But I just want to say thank you all so much for watching and giving me all this support. It really means the world to me, and you guys, I'm trying to get to all of your comments. There's like 150 some odd plus comments on there, and I've tried to keep up in between work and everything else, but I'm running out of stamina to do it. But know that I'm superiorly grateful for all your compliments and kind words, and thank you so much for watching. You can connect with me via social media. I am currently in the process of starting an Etsy shop. I've got one listing. You know, what are you gonna do? I gotta find some more time in my day to be able to add to it. But it's a work in progress. There'll be more up in the next week or so. I just want to take some better pictures than what I have and go from there. But guys, I hope you have a great night. Here's tonight's pour. Let's think of a name for it. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Guys, so I've done 7 of these so far. Actually, 6 of them. So this is one that you're going to be seeing coming up. This one is in the process of drying, and this is the 20 by 24 that I'm trying to upload. It's gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And then there's this one, and then I have this one, which I love. It is so beautiful. I mean, look at those cells. It's crazy. And all of this fine detail in here, which is hard to see at certain angles when it's wet, but it's amazing. And there's Sweet Mina's right there. It's come out beautiful. And this one is going to a new home. And then there's this beautiful piece that was a botched pour, a pour over, and I love it. It's got the copper and the deep turquoise. So that's a sort of a little simpler than my recent Galaxy straight pours that I've been doing. And then here is Ethereal Wings. She's drying beautifully. The lighting is awful in here, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do to dry things. And then I did this little beauty today. Looks a little peach, but it's not, for a client. So with that, here are these dried pieces. They're not dried, but they're in the process of drying, and I'm really excited because a bunch of them have homes, and I'm so blessed. All right, guys, that's all for tonight. Thanks for watching.